No, nothing. Just that's actually really great right there. Oh my goodness, he's so big. So what?
A terrible representation. His name is Benelli.
Benelli.
And he has gone through lots of training, but as he's gotten older, he's gotten a...
It's like
right.
It's like a grouchy street.
Hey, what?
He is a cool dog though, man. Wow.
They're fine.
Put your hand in.
Oh, there we go. I like that. Oh, wow. Hey, guy. Got some good pictures of him though. I got some really good ones.
Oh, perfect.
Let's do this guy.
Okay, this is Lacey. She is, but she's shy as heck.
Lacey?
Yes.
Oh,
Sit.
that's okay.
Sit down.
Should be good. She's doing really good. Oh wow, yeah, it's a pretty good one.
She's so
actually
easy.
she's actually posing.
I know. Watch. Sit.
Well, thanks. Appreciate it, guys. My name's Albert.
Oh, hi. I'm Addison. This is Eric.
Nice to meet you guys.
Pleasure.
You know what? I can edit them and I can actually send them to you guys if you want.
Oh, would love to. I'm so excited. Okay.
Yeah,
thank
no
you.
problem. Yeah, I'll send them to you guys. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, y'all take care.
Okay.